Hello, everyone, and welcome to Let's Talk Simple English, a podcast for beginner English learners. I'm Sarah, and I'm here with my friend Alex. Today's topic is something many of us feel. I know English words, but I still can't speak. Why does this happen? Let's talk about it.
Hi, Sarah. I'm excited about today's topic. It's a big problem for many people.
Hi, Alex. Yes, it really is. People say, I understand English, I watch movies, I know words, but when I speak, I freeze.
Yes, I felt that too, especially when I started learning French. I knew many words, but my mouth didn't move.
Haha, same here with Spanish. I could write, I could listen, but speaking, so hard.
So let's ask the big question why? Why do people know words but can't speak?
I think one reason is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of people laughing, fear of sounding wrong.
Yes, fear is powerful. We want to speak perfectly, but guess what? Nobody speaks perfectly, even in their own language.
Exactly. I make mistakes in my own language every day.
Same. So making mistakes in English is okay. It means you're learning.
Another reason is we don't practice speaking. We listen a lot, we read a lot, but we don't open our mouth.
Yes, it's like learning to swim by watching videos it doesn't work. You have to jump into the water.
I love that example. So, how can people jump in with English?
Great question. Let's give some tips. Tip 1. Speak out loud to yourself. Every day. Say what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cooking rice. I'm going to work.
That's my favorite. Tip 2. Use voice notes. Record yourself. Talk about your day. Then listen. Don't judge. Just notice.
Tip 3. Use the mirror. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Look at your face. It feels strange at first, but it helps.
Yes. And tip 4. Don't worry about big grammar. Start small. Say simple things. For example, I like tea. Today is sunny. My friend is kind. You don't need perfect grammar to communicate.
Absolutely. And here's tip 5. Find a speaking buddy. Even 10 minutes a week can help.
Or use AI tools like ChatGPT or language apps. Just speak more.
You know what helped me the most? Just saying, it's okay to sound like a beginner.
Yes, that mindset changes everything. We're all beginners in something.
So let's sum up. You know English words? Great. Now use them. Speak every day. Don't wait to be perfect. Make mistakes. Have fun.
Beautiful summary, Alex. So, to everyone listening, you can speak English. You just need to try. Every day, a little. It adds up. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of Let's Talk Simple English. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. And remember, it's okay to speak slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. But it's not okay to stay silent forever. You have the words. Now, use your voice. See you next time.